Right, we've been here for the first hour. They've made a really good start on all these lambs coming through. There's a whole lorry load just turned up, a load that are already shorn that have got to go back that way. There's a lot of logistics in this. We've just really seen the start of it all. Right, we're back. It's the afternoon now, so they've been shearing since 8 o'clock. It's 5:30 now. But the big question is, how many have they done so far? And how many have they got left? Are they going to run out of sheep? Right, we made it back. It's the final day. Last half an hour. Let's go see how they're doing.
Here we go then, boys, the last 12 minutes. We're on the countdown now, there are 2 minutes to go. celebrating, ladies and gentlemen, Matt Rowlands. His lamb is going to come out with a number 1521. James Lewis, his lamb is going to come out with a number 1591. They have shown, ladies and gentlemen, a total of 3,112 lambs in 24 hours.
Well, they did it. Fair play to them. I think James's guess was 3,000, wasn't it, when he came to shear at ours? Any idea how many you're going to get done? Or is that you want to jinx? Don't want to jinx it?
No, I don't want to jinx it, but we're looking at 3,000.
And they did it. They made, I think it was 3,012.
No, 3,100.
No. Little bit of quick maths. Joe's right. 3,112.
I've always been good at maths.
It's a lot of sheep. And we haven't stuck around to see what the total raise was because they've still got a raffle and an auction and all those sort of things going on this afternoon. And I'm sure that the donation page will be still open. So if you've been impressed with what you've seen, and it looked like hard work to be fair, and the whole team, I mean it's not only 2 people working there, is it? That was a whole team event. So if you want to find out more, then I'll leave that link down and you can go and donate and find out all the causes that the event was supporting. We'll leave it there. Well done James and Matt. Thanks for watching, take care, see you next time.